How to increase the volume on the Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. So first you want to turn it on, and it will be indicated that it's on with this white light next to the power button, and the blue light on the opposite side, and if it's steady like this, will indicate that it's connected to a device, in this case the mobile phone. If it doesn't, hold down the Bluetooth connect button and connect it. To increase the volume, you can do it on, for this instance, a mobile phone or whichever device you're connected to. Press on the volume up button, and as you can see here, this little Bluetooth icon on the volume button is showing that it's connected to the Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker. And when you press up, it will turn the volume up and increase the volume. You can also press the plus button on the actual Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker, and this will turn the volume up. So that's two ways how to increase the volume on an Anker Soundcore 2 Bluetooth speaker.